This is the worked examples video for acceleration. By the end, you'll be able to do 3 things. First, recall the acceleration equation. Second, rearrange it to find a velocity or a time. And third, use it to solve problems. Here's the equation. Acceleration equals the change in velocity over the time. The change in velocity is the final velocity, v, minus the initial velocity, u. So a is the acceleration in meters per second squared, v is the final velocity, and u the starting velocity, both in meters per second. And t is the time taken, in seconds. Watch out for that u. Forgetting to subtract the starting velocity is the most common slip. You can rearrange it depending on what you need, multiply both sides by t, and the change in velocity equals a times t. Add u to both sides, and you get a very handy form. The final velocity equals u plus a times t. And if you need the time, it's the change in velocity divided by the acceleration. Let's use it. A car speeds up from 5 meters per second to 25 meters per second in 4 seconds. Find its acceleration, write the equation first. Acceleration equals v minus u over t. Substitute. 25 minus 5 is 20, divided by 4. That gives an acceleration of 5 meters per second squared. Equation, substitute, answer with a unit, every time. Now it's your turn. Try these practice questions. Question 1. A car accelerates from 0 to 30 c/ms in 6s. Find the acceleration. Question 2. A bike slows from 12 ms to 4 ms in 4s. Find its acceleration. Question 3. An object starts at 2 Newtons and accelerates at 3 ms for 5s. Find its final velocity. Pause the video, work them out on paper, then play on to check your answers. 3, 2, 1. Here are the answers. Number 1, 5 ms2. Number 2, 2 ms2, a deceleration of 2 ms2. Number 3, 17 ms, v Celsius u plus at 0 to Celsius 15. Thanks for watching. If this video helped, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more IGCSE science revision. My revision workbook is available from the link in the comments.